Hi, I'm Trisha Morris from Club Scrap, and I'm thrilled to invite you to another online learning event. This is a workshop called the Petite Book Duo. And by duo, that means we'll be making two separate books from one Club Scrap page kit. Let's take a closer look at this project. So for this book that we're making, we've got a mat board substrate, so it makes a nice sturdy cover with a spine. It's beautifully wrapped. And then when you open it up, you'll find a half a dozen pages. And one of the things I love about this book is that the pages are trifold, so you have lots of room for everything. And when the book is open, the pages lay nice and flat. Plus, because of that U-hinge system we'll be using, there's plenty of room for dimensional embellishment. So for example, on this, it sticks out kind of far, but you still have plenty of room for it in the book because of that binding system. And then yes, you'll make a second book and you can swap out the paper colors however you wish to make them a little bit different, or you can make them identical. The project kit will include some printed instructions that will help guide the trimming and assembly process along with our workshop video. And then you get an entire typeset page kit. So that's a beautiful, more masculine theme. In addition to the page kit, you'll also have your foam brush, a needle tip applicator, and then the substrate, which is this 12 by 12 sheet of really heavy mat board. As far as other supplies, you want to make sure you have some of our bookbinding glue on hand. It's really handy to have our pocket organizer as well as a 3x14 grid ruler. I also want to mention that once you learn how to master this book structure, you can take any Club Scrap page kit. This was the Mariachi collection. Follow the same exact instructions and substitute one for one to create a book of whatever theme you wish. If you've never taken a book project like this with me in the past, I suggest starting with the original Craft Along kit and following along with me paper by paper. Once you've mastered some of those skills, it'll be more easy for you to make substitutions of your own. Then during our live premiere of this workshop, I suggest following along with the video and just making notes and kind of watching how everything comes together. Then watch it one more time and work at your very own pace. That should bring you the best results. Can't wait to share this project with you starting on June 16 at the volume event. See you there.